spent $65 sending this. It's only fair. I sent him a big box too at Christmas time. Oh dear. What am I looking at? I don't have any kids, so that's a bit weird. I know where it's going, though. It's going on a skeleton I have. Oh, dear God. That's fucked up. Yeah. I'm hoping this was like one of those things that, like, they discount really cheap after holidays and stuff. Yeah. Dear God. Holy shit. Oh, I see what he did. He ran out of packing material, so he included a second one. Oh, jeez. It's strictly there to keep the shit from all flying all over the place. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh my God, I lost my X-Acto knife already. That was quick. That was very quick. See, that's the crazy thing. I have X-Acto knives like crazy, and this is why. I merely opened this up, and it's already vanished. Just had a knock on the door there. Apparently, as usual, the mailman put things in the wrong place or something, and a neighbor was returning it. Thankfully, let's see what this misplaced package was. I have no idea what this is. It looks like Gashapon. It is. It is. Okay. Oh, I know what that is. That's the Dariore. Okay, I'll get to that in a different video. Let's cut into this puppy. Oh, I keep bumping the camera. Okay. In the same vein as what I've done to him at Christmas time, he's using as filler miniature figures. You know, I gave him a couple Dollar Tree type things, and he's tossed a couple Lego guys in here. Let me see. Feel. I feel what feels like a snowboard shape, almost. No, that's the base plate. Okay. I hope I get that snail guy. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I give up. God, I am so tired. I should be asleep right now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ain't that cool? It is the snail guy. I got the snail guy. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, cool. The one that I wanted is there. No idea. It feels like hair. I think it's one of the humans with a cap on, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It's another snail guy. And that's okay, because that's cool. I mean, look how happy they are. Anyway. You know, I saw these things, and I almost bought them just because they were kind of interesting looking. You pop them up like that, they light up, you know. Collapsible lantern set. Yeah, I was actually looking at these. That's funny. Cool. It's only 150 lumens, which isn't much, but it's pretty much a reading light if you're out in the wilderness or whatnot. Or if your electric goes out, for that matter. Garbage Pail Kids. Micro collection. I've got a bunch of ones in the past, the old ones that came in trash cans and stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But these are higher quality. Hey, there's a stuff. Why is there a Stay Puft guy in this? Oh, I see it. It popped open in transit. Okay, we got miniature Garbage Pail Kids cards here. Oh, you know, if I were to choose 2 from Season 1 that I would want, it would be these 2. Well, that's just how things always seem to work, doesn't it? Okay, we got a... okay, here's the Garbage Pail Kid. It's the mummy dude. And boy, it's a lot tinier than I thought it would be. Damn. That's very tiny. And they also give you like a wacky packages kind of thing. Except this is Garbage Pail Kids Tongue Destroyer soda. Yeah, very strange. It'll go good with my wacky packages minis. This guy's probably got parts in here somewhere. I gotta be careful with these things, make sure I don't accidentally throw it out. Okay. See, now this is the problem with me and my brother. We're nerds, so we talk. You know, if I ever saw this at retail, I probably would have bought it in a heartbeat. My God. The boy is on par with my thoughts here. But the problem is, us being nerds, we talk about what we like online to each other, and then he goes and he's been purchasing them. Motherfucker. It's like I was budgeting things to, you know, properly, you know, figure out what toys I still want in this day and age. And surprisingly, he's hit them. Like, I was saving up to get this one. It was like $50, and he has it. Boom, sent it. That motorcycle set is cool, by the way. I really love that motorcycle. That's neat. Yeah. And here's the Ghostbusters Afterlife set. Yeah, that was a good movie. There was way too much of him in it. And I'm just, you know, putting that out there. It was way too much of him, but I think this is the only way you can get Phoebe, which was like the main character, is in this set. I'll have to compare it to the other ones later on, because, well, you know, I just do that. And it comes with a Terror Dog head, but I don't know why. Because the Terror Dog Sentinel was already built from the other figures? I don't know. I noticed one thing about her backpack here, her new, whatever the fuck they're called. Her backpack has an open back to it, and there's the cover to it. You know, kind of like when he was like guiding her on how to put a CRT diode or something in it to make it work again. Yeah, that's kind of interesting thing. And here's a jar of mold it comes with. That's kind of cool. Okay, so now I got all of them. Okay, you're big. Let's save you for last. Holy shit. I think that's it for inside of the box. Here is a smaller box. Oh dear God. These apparently are, or this is apparently the mask to that other set. I think I get why he sent it. It wasn't just as a packing material for the safety of the items. It was also, he probably got it cheap with this mask. So, you know, this is just a neat thing to slap up on your wall. It is almost adult-sized in a... Nah, maybe not. Okay, my head's way bigger than this. But yeah. Optimus head to put on the wall. Can't complain. Now, here's the biggie right here. Oh, my God. I didn't see the arm to the Stay Puft guy in here, though. I better be careful with that box and double check it later on. Let me move this stuff out of the way. Oh my God, you're heavy. Okay. This box is massive. The Catwoman from Channel 6. Pretty much there was an episode of the old Turtles line where April O'Neil got turned into a cat, a werecat, and Irma got turned into a rat, and yeah, etc., etc. And this is another thing. I was ready to spend $250 on eBay to get this, and then magically it showed up at a Target, and my brother saw it. I think they're like $150 at retail or something. But yeah, there's Vernon, and he's got a mask on. You know, I'll get to him in a second. There's April as a cat girl. Now, here's something funny. Okay, what I'm putting up on screen here is the old mutating April figure, you know, from the old Turtles line. And then here you can see there was an April figure that kind of looked like that. The way it has, like, purple and stuff and these weird boots that she's sporting. So I was going to pretty much chop off the arms, put different type of arms on, put the cat head on there, paint that orange and stuff. And simultaneously, along with that, I also got a Lady J figure from the G.I. Joe line for like $20. And I was testing it out, and I was actually going to sculpt a cat head for her, and I might still do so. But, yeah. And then, you know, just because I thought it was a cool concept, you know, I also was going to get this. So, yeah, I don't kind of have to do it now, but I might still do it now just for the art of it. And it comes with him, and it comes with a bunch of video cameras, and it also comes with Irma as a rat. You know, you put the head on, you put the arms on, and then she's a rat girl. And that's pretty damn cool. This is pretty amazing. I mean, this is a lot of shit for $150, even if it is expensive. Yada, 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 yada. Yeah, this is very cool. This is the trump card of the entire box here. Yeah, that's cool. And like I was saying, I actually did purchase this. This came in a set with Rat King. And, you know, it's part of that episode, so I just wanted to complete the look and get him too. He has a little head, that rat head that you can put onto him. Rat arms, etc., etc. So, you know. Yeah, my brother, man, he also sent this to me too. Straight from the, I think it was Target, I don't know. But it's like, it's weird that they came out with these two figures specifically at the same time, because these were the two figures that I wanted to see them come out with, specifically. And they did it simultaneously. Just very odd. Alley Viper and Cobra Bat. Very strange. I mean, it's just weird that they just happen to do that. I have a G.I. Joe video I need to get done, but yeah. So, damn, thanks, bro. We got the Catgirl set, you know, from NECA. We have this cool-ass motorcycle. Yeah, the guy's just a soldier. But, you know, we have this cool-ass motorcycle, which I have the smaller version of, because I thought it was cool. I don't know how he knew to get this. But, yeah, that's awesome. And, yeah, we got these guys. And, you know, since I'm here, in anticipation of getting this, because it's like one of my favorite old G.I. Joe figures, I also bought the... Get the fuck out of there, Steve. I bought this 3D printed, fan-made Alley Viper throne. It's rather interesting, honestly. It's not glued together. You would have to do that yourself. And the lines on it, you know, because 3D printing technology is still but you can see. God, if my hand can stop shaking, that'd be good too. Must be nerve damage. No. You can see it's not perfect, but for $30 or whatever the fuck I paid, less than 30 I think it was, it's actually not too bad. Oh, that part's separate too? Doesn't seem to come off though, and that's fine. But yeah, it's not... 3D printing still has to go away, go a certain ways yet before I plunge into spending my money on a printer for it. Because they're just not right where I want them yet, definition-wise, but they're getting there. They're getting very close, and they will only get cheaper. So yeah, Alley Viper already has a throne. So yeah, very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. Okay, like, subscribe, thanks, bro. Jesus, this is great. And good day.